transitions. The transitions is the special effect that take place when you move to the next slide. To add transition, go to the Transitions tab on the ribbon. It looks like this. There are 3 categories of transitions to choose from. Subtle. These are the most basic types of transitions. They use simple animations to move between slides. Exciting. These are the more complex animations to transition between slides. Dynamic content. If you are applying transition between 2 slides that use similar slide layouts, dynamic transitions will move only the placeholders, not the slides themselves. Adding transitions to the slide. Step 1. Click on the title slide in normal view. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab. Step 3. Click on More to see the different types of transition effects. Step 4. Select any of the effect. Step 5. Change the effect options according to your choice. Step 6. Select Apply to All to apply the effect to all the slides. On Transitions tab, you will find controls that will let you preview the transition and set its timings. The timing will specify how fast the transition occurs and what triggers it, such as a mouse click or automatically after a specified period of time. You can also use the sound effect to the animation. To add a sound effect to the transition, you can use the duration drop-down menu to specify how fast the transition should be. Then set the transition to happen on mouse click or after a specified period of time. If Apply to All is not selected, the transition would only apply to the slide currently highlighted in Slide Sorter. Previewing a transition. You can preview the transition for a selected slide at any time using either of these 2 methods. Click the Preview command on the Transitions tab. Click the Play Animations command in the slide navigation pane, giving an on-screen presentation that displays timer to practice timing. Step 1. In the Setup area of the Slideshow tab at the top of the window, click the Rehearse Timings button. Step 2. The presentation will begin on slide 1 and the rehearsal window will pop up to time the presentation. Step 3. Continue clicking mouse to advance presentation through the entire show and return to normal view. Step 4. Click No at the prompt to keep slide timings. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks have 2 basic parts: the address of the slide, web page, email address or other location they are linking to, and the display text, which can also be a picture or shape. Insert a hyperlink to another slide. Step 1. Create a PowerPoint presentation with 3 slides. First slide should display the question with 4 options. Second slide should display incorrect and third slide should display correct. Step 2. Right-click the selected text or image. Step 3. Select hyperlink. Step 4. Select place in this document. Step 5. Select the slide to display and click OK. Step 6. Do the same for all the incorrect options. Step 7. Select the correct option, right-click and select Hyperlink. Step 8. Select the third slide with the correct and click OK. Also, hyperlink the word next question on the third slide with the next slide which has next question. Give your presentation. On the Slideshow tab, do one of the following. To start the presentation at the first slide, in the Start Slideshow group, click From Beginning. If you are not at the first slide and want to start from where you are, click From Current Slide. Saving the presentation. Step 1. On the File tab, choose Save As. Step 2. Pick or browse to a folder. Step 3. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation and then click Save.